Good morning from the Nasdaq market site in Times Square, New York. I'm Jay Heller with your market update. Well, weakness in the market remained again yesterday as the Dow was off 141, the Nasdaq was off 34, and the S&P 500 was off 16. Really what we're seeing is just a lack of catalyst. There's no conviction to really step into these markets right now and step and actually buy anything. So with that said, prior to the opening today, we are looking once again at a lower opening. You do have the Dow futures off about 41, the Nasdaq futures pointing lower by 9. On the economic front, nothing out till 9 o'clock this morning when we're going to get the S&P Case-Shiller Home Index. And that's going to give you a pretty good indicator to see if we've seen any type of stability in the housing market whatsoever. If we see some stability there, low interest rates, hopefully we get a little bit of a boost to the overall economy as a whole. But as of right now, since these tax credits have expired earlier in the year, just have saw no momentum and again, no stability in the housing market. Also at 10 o'clock, we're going to have the consumer confidence number, so we'll see what the people are really feeling out there. Is there any type of confidence whatsoever in this U.S. economy right now? Overall, right now, just a lot of negative anticipation out there. So on the news front, pretty good news for Staples. They're going to be the only bricks and mortar store that's going to be able to offer Amazon's Kindle product. Now, the rumor out there was that this announcement was going to be going to Target. So with Staples stepping in, that's a little bit of a surprise. So a boost maybe to Staples today, just something to keep an eye on. On the earnings front, not too much really going on. One company to keep an eye on, they reported this morning, Dollar General. They are a very big retailer, discount retailer. So they've been on the top line, EPS coming in better than expected. However, on the earnings front, on the revenues, a little bit light. However, something to really focus on, which we haven't really been seeing in this earnings season, their operating margins were a lot higher than expected. So they also boosted their guidance going forward. So just again, a company, a very big indicator as we getting ready for back to school. A lot of traffic is going to be seen at a Dollar General type of store, so hopefully that's a good sign for the economy as a whole. So again, pointing to a lower opening today, and I'm Jay Heller from the Nasdaq market site with your market update.